In today's video, I am going to teach you how to scrap websites with Google Sheets, Importxml. To scrape data with the Importxml function, you only need two things. First, you need the URL of the page you want to pull data from, and it must include https:// at the start. Second, you need an axpath. An axpath is basically the exact address of the information inside the page code. A simple way to think about it is that the URL is the building, and the axpath is the apartment number where the data lives. The basic syntax looks like this: equals importxml, then the URL in quotes, then a comma, then the axpath query in quotes. The URL tells Google Sheets where to look, and the axpath tells it what to extract. To find an axpath without learning HTML, you can use Chrome. Open the web page you want to scrape, then right-click directly on the specific text you want, like a headline or a price, and choose Inspect. This opens the developer tools and highlights the exact line of code for that element. Next, right-click that highlighted code, choose Copy, and then select Copy axpath. You can paste that axpath into your formula back in Google Sheets. Keep in mind that copied XPaths can sometimes be long and fragile. In many cases, simpler XPaths work well. For example, /title pulls the page title, /h1 pulls main headings, /@href pulls all links, and /img@src pulls image URLs. For SEO, you can use /meta with a name of description and pull its content attribute. Now let us walk through a simple example in Google Sheets. Start with a blank spreadsheet. In cell A1, paste the website URL you want to scrape. Then click into the next cell where you want the result to appear, like B1, and type the Importxml formula using the URL cell reference and the axpath for the main headline, which is /h1. Once you press enter, the headline should appear. If the page has more than one H1, the results will spill into the cells below. If you see an error like #n/a, there are a few common reasons. Importxml cannot read content that loads using JavaScript after the page appears. Also, if your axpath contains double quotes, replace them with single quotes inside the formula. Finally, some websites block scraping and may return empty content or a fetch error. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.